Hi, this is Sharon McCrum from the Walport Public Library coming to you today with a really fun science project. Are you ready? I got it from this book that we have at the library called the Smithsonian Maker Lab. What we're going to do today is called How to Make a Watertight Wonder. These pictures will be posted along with the video or on our website, on our Facebook page. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a plastic bag. And these plastic bags are made of something called polyethylene. We use them all the time, but we're going to fill this one with water. Okay, that should be enough. I'm keeping a bowl handy just in case, but I'm going to move it now. Now then, you see I have colored pencils here. You want to make sure your colored pencils are very sharp. A little sharper than that, if you can. Sharp as possible without them breaking. Okay. This one too for you. Oops, that one broke, so we're not going to use it. Okay, give me a sharp one. Now, watch this. My videographer, James, is going to zoom in close so you can watch this action. Look at that. The water doesn't come out. Let's do some more. Oh, that one did. Look at that. Because I poked it and didn't keep the pencil going through. Let's see if I can find that hole. I did. Now I plugged it. But still, this is a really fun project. You have to go quick through it. Here we are. Look at that, gang. Isn't that cool? Okay, now let's get to the science part. Why does this work? Well, here it is. I'll read this part to you. How it works. Plastic kitchen bags are made of polyethylene, a strong but flexible material. When the pencil makes a hole through it, the polyethylene wraps tightly around the pencil but leaves a tiny gap, a hole through which water could escape. Water molecules cling together. As if a hole is small enough, the clinging force between the water molecules near the hole is very strong. If it's stronger than the push from the water molecules inside, the water won't escape. Make the hole much bigger and the molecules can't hold back the pressure from inside and the water will leak out. Now, if you can go online and look up the International Space Station, they have a photo. There's a little one in this book. Water droplets in space. There's no gravity and they will be round and stay in the air. Isn't that amazing? Okay. Thanks for being with us today for this very short but very fun science project. I hope you try this at home. Also, I want to remind you to stay safe, keep your distance, wash your hands, and do some good learning. Remember to breathe. Bye-bye.